Hi everyone, this is Paula from Craftigraphy, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to embroider a kitchen towel. To embroider on a kitchen towel can be a very fun and easy project to make, especially if you are a beginner. We'll talk about supplies, how to place the stabilizer onto the fabric, how to place into the hoop, and what machine settings to use. So with that being said, let's get started! The first thing we need to prepare are the supplies. Kitchen towel, soluble stabilizer for back and top, embroidery design and documentation files, thread for bobbin and top, chalk or wash away pen, and a ruler. Before starting the project, you need to wash, dry and iron the towel. This way you prevent the shrinking of the fabric and the distortion of the embroidery. Find the biggest size you can stitch. Depending on where you want to embroider the towel, you need to measure what design size would be best for the towel you have. For example, my towel is 17 by 23 inches. I fold the towel in 3 and then in half. I want my design to be stitched on the lower part of the middle. For my project, the embroidery size is a maximum 4 inches wide and 6 inches tall. Next, I look for a design that would fit in that measurements. The design I use is a 3 inches wide by 4 inches tall. Let's mark the towel to find where the design will be placed. Take the towel and fold it in half. Be careful to align it correctly. Next, from the bottom, measure 2 inches from the seam line. There will be the base of the design. From this point, measure the height of the design, in my case 4 inches, and mark. This is the upper part. You find the center point by dividing the height in half. With the towel turned on the back, look where to place the stabilizer. Look for the middle of the towel, it should be visible. Apply some adhesive spray and the stabilizer. Place the bottom part of the frame under the towel. Use the hoop template and towel marks to align the hoop. Next, add the wash-away stabilizer on top. After you place the upper part of the hoop, secure it with the screw but not entirely. Now gently pull the fabric and bottom stabilizer's margin so it's tensioned correctly. The secret is not pulling too much, just enough to avoid any wrinkles. After that, close the hoop completely. Check the machine for enough bobbin thread. For this project, you can use the bobbin in the same color as the towel or the same as the upper thread. But be careful and use only thread for the bobbin, as this can affect the machine in the long term. The bobbin is a bit thinner than the upper thread. I don't have all the colors for bobbin thread, so I used white for light towel and dark for darker tones. Start the machine and attach the hoop to the arm. Search for the embroidery design you want to use. Now, you need to be careful how your towel is oriented to the machine. I need to rotate mine 90 degrees to the right. Finally, add the upper thread and check the towel so it doesn't have fabric under the hoop and start to embroider. After the embroidery is done, unhoop and tear the wash-away stabilizer on top and cut the one on the back. Then you need to wash the towel for the back stabilizer to dissolve. Iron the towel and you are done! I really enjoyed embroidering this kitchen towel and I hope you learned something useful from this video. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with us, please use the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date, and happy stitching!